Hey yo, what's up everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio. I hope that you guys are doing fantastic. So in the last video, you guys would remember that we are going through the curing process for the casting before we put up the floor of the second floor of this first official Green Paradise house. So while we're waiting like a week or two for this thing to cure so that it can develop maximum strength, we're simultaneously working on other things. So number one thing that we are executing today is a borehole. So the drilling guys are already here to get the borehole going. I'll show you guys. And then we are also starting the foundation on the second home of Green Paradise. But for now, let me show you guys what they're drilling. So essentially, everything we're doing is centralized. So this first borehole is going to service some community garden, the greenhouse, the houses, and also some of the grass and vegetation things that we want to have. So the water is like essential. Even prior to this, we've just been trying to dig a well, but I'm like, you know what, let's just get started on this. It was just finding the right location and the right place to drill to where you can have a large, like an industrial style production of water. So that's what they're doing here. So that's what's going on here. They're still drilling. So now, we also drilled at the Agro Park Phase 2 as well. So they did that one yesterday, so they're doing this one today. So that way we have a borehole serving our farm, and then for our clients that we are farming for there, or if they want to use it, while simultaneously setting this one up for the residential side. Now, let's go and check out the foundation of the second house that we are building. All right, so we are at the site of the second home. This one is going to be a 3-bedroom bungalow. So not like that one that's like a 4-bedroom duplex. So yeah, so again, we're simultaneously just working on the foundation part. They've done the setting outs, they're doing the excavation. Ooh, they've even done some blinding already. Agusha, well done. Wow, that's a t-shirt. Okay. Wow, fine. It's good to go. So literally, we've been working on this actually for like the whole week. So essentially, once they finish this, they put columns, they'll start putting up the block wall. Bungalows is a little bit more, it's easier, let me just say that, than a duplex. A duplex, you have to worry about so many structural foundations to be able to carry the load of the second floor, the roofing, and all of that stuff. But here, you're just focused on one floor, which is great. But we also noticed that a lot of our clients actually want bungalows. Some of them want a duplex as long as there's a room on the bottom level, which is fine. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys where we're at so far. So yeah, we're wrapping up the foundation here. I came here 2 days ago, just to kind of double check the spacing, like the setback. So after they do it, I'll usually come and double check the setback to make sure that there's enough room in the front, enough room in the back, enough room on the left, enough room on the right, and everything looks good. This person would have a nice, beautiful backyard space. It's gonna be awesome. All right, anyway guys, that is the quick micro updates for today. I will catch up with you guys on the next video to let you know how far we have gotten with that building and then also this building. Thank you guys so much for watching again. By the way, if you'd like to key into our first community, we would love to have you in. Really, we're focusing on 30 houses this year, and we would love for you to be one of those 30 houses. So this strip right here is going to be where we're gonna have the resort amenities. So if you're like into cash flow, or you just want like a vacation home or a home where you're gonna live, close to like nature, you're gonna have lake, food, everything, quiet, serene, just right outside of the city, definitely check us out. Reach out to us on the number below, or check out thegreenparadise.com. We have 2-bedroom bungalow options, we have 3-bedroom bungalow, and then we have duplexes if you want like a bottom floor and upper floor type setup. Thank you guys so much for watching again. I hope that you are enjoying this series of building this micro city in Nigeria. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you want to follow this journey along. And again, guys, remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.